my projects today is to replace all of the Phillips screws that were put in here more recently with slotted screws. Alright, let's start on that. The reason for changing out the Phillips head screws to slotted head screws is to make the fire engine more period correct. Even though Phillips head screws were first patented in July of 1936, there could have been Phillips head screws on a 1938 fire engine, but if you look carefully around the engine, you will see that all of the original screws are slotted. The only Phillips ones on the engine were added later. We recently had the clutch rebuilt, and the floorboards in the front were removed to have access to the clutch. And when the repairmen put the floorboards back, they replaced some of the slotted screws, or those that were even missing, with Phillips head screws. That's what I'm replacing in this video today. And also equipment that was put on the running boards by myself, as a matter of fact. I used Phillips head screws originally. The reason being is that it is very difficult to find long 3.5 inch or so slotted screws in local hardware stores. I had to order them online, and of course then wait to get those, and then I reinstalled the equipment with the slotted screws. As of this time, these are the last Phillips screws that needed to be changed, and then all of the screws on the engine will be slotted screws as they would have been when the engine was new in 1938.